Hello my students, how are you everyone? Today we'll solve weekly assessment number 11, end of second month exercise. Question number 1, first choose the correct answer. The value of x in this equation equal. We have 4x plus 2 equal 3x minus 1. We must move 3x from right hand side to left hand side, right? 4x minus 3x equal negative 1 and move 2 by the inverse, negative 2. Then x will be negative 3. 4x minus 3xx, negative 1 minus 2 is negative 3. Choose question. Parallelogram whose diagonals are perpendicular are rhombus. A parallelogram has two diagonals perpendicular, we call it rhombus. Choose letter B. The type of angle whose measure 330, we call it reflex angle. Reflex angle. The measure here greater than 180, less than 360, we call it reflex angle. The solution set of the equation 3 equal x plus 5. In natural number it will be null set. Choose letter D. Because x will be equal 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. Not belonging to natural number. Then the solution here will be letter D. Next question. If the sum of the measure of two angles in triangle 130, what is the measure of third angle? We know the sum of inter angle in triangle 180. Then we can write 180 subtract by 130 equal 50 degree. Number 6. ABCD parallelogram and EC equal PD, and EC also perpendicular to PD. It's meaning two diagonal perpendicular and equal in length. Okay, it will be square. Square has these properties. Two diagonals are perpendicular and equal in length. Choose square. Next question. Number 7. The angle whose measure 70 degree vertically opposite by angle measure 70 degree. We have vertical opposite angle. Okay, choose letter C. 70 equal 70 like this. This is vertical opposite angles. Next question. Number 8. The sum of measure of interior angle in quadral equal what? Sum of interior angle of quadral, it will be 360 like square. 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90 equal 360. Choose letter B. Next question. If the two vertical angles are complementary, then the measure of each them equal 45. Complementary, it means sum of them equal 90 degree. Then they are equivalent. 90 divided by 2 is 35. Choose letter C. Number 10. If straight line intersect two parallel straight line like this, they are parallel, and we have third cut of them. Then each two interior angles, it will be what? It will be supplementary angles. It's meaning the sum of them equal 180 supplementary angles. If triangle ABC is square, then if ABCD is square, then the measure of angle here ABD, it will be 45 degree, because the diagonal here or diagonal bisect the vertex two equality angles, each together it will be 45. They are here complementary angles, some of them equal 90 degree. Then each one of them it will be 45, because diagonal bisect the vertex ABCD. This is the measure of angle ABD, it will be 45 degree. Next question. Number 12. Karma's age now is X years old. Her age 6 years ago was 15. Then X subtract by 6 equal 15. Okay, 6 years ago was 15. X minus 6 equal 15. Next question. Which of the following sets quadrals whose sides are equal in length? Sides are equal in length, square and rhombus. Square and rhombus. Choose letter C. Square, all sides are equal in length. And also rhombus is quadral, all sides are equal in length. The sum of lengths of any two sides of triangle may all the time is greater than. The sum of any two sides of any triangle will be greater than the third, like 3, 4 and 5. It's sides of right angle triangle. If we add together, 3 plus 4 equals 7. Sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third sides. Next question. The opposite. We want to find the measure angle x. We have 50 and 2x. They are equivalent. 2x equal 50. Then the measure of angle x is 25 degree. Next question. Find the solution set of the equation set. We have 5x plus 14 equal 10, right? 5x equal 10 plus 14. Then 5x equal negative 4. Then the value of x equal negative 4 over 5. This belonging to integers. In the solution set in z, it will be negative 4 and 5, and also negative 4 over 5 not belonging to natural numbers. In solution set here, it will be null set phi. Next question. Find the solution of this equation in natural number. We have 2x plus 12. Okay, right here, 2x plus 12 plus 5 equal 12 plus 3x. Okay, first step, 2x move here, write 3x minus 2x and 5 subtract by 12, move 12 here. It will be negative 7 equal x. Then x will be negative 7. Okay, 3x minus 2x, it will be x, and 5 minus 12, negative 7. Negative 7 belonging to rational numbers. X equal negative 7 belonging to rational numbers. In solution set will be negative 7. Next question. Find the measure of angle A. We have a straight angle in this question. First step, such that C is belonging to straight line or the ray BE. Then measure of angle ACP equal 180 subtract by 130 equal 50 degree. This angle will be 50. Then in triangle ABC, we can find measure of angle A equal 180 subtract the sum of 50 and 70. The result will be 180 subtract by 120 equals 60 degree. Next question. In each of the following, find x. First question number 4. We can find the measure of angle x. Look at here about this question. We have commutative angles at the point C. Okay, like this. We have two straight line parallel. This angle was 50. Then this angle will be 130. 130. They are supplementary angles in the same side of transversal. X will be what? We have 90 degrees, and the measure of angle x equals 360 subtract the sum of 90 and 130. Then we can write 360 subtract by 9 plus 3 12, 2 and carry up 1. 6 minus 2 4, 3 minus 2 1. Then the answer will be 140. The measure here 140. Next question. We can find first the interior angle of quadrilateral. Measure of angle DAP, and it will be what? 360 subtract by the sum of sides angle here, interior angles. Write 120 plus 30 plus 50. This 50, okay, and this angle 130. We can write 360 subtract by 0 plus 0, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 2 10, 0 and carry up 1, 2 plus 1 3. Then the answer will be 60 degree. Then the measure of angle x will be 180 subtract by 60 equal 120 degree. Then angle will be 120 because E belonging to a straight line AE. We have straight angles. Next question, number 6. We want to find the measure of angle x. We have two straight line parallel and the third transversal of them, then we have alternate angle. The measure of angle here, P, will be 70 degree. And also we want to find the measure of angle x here. We have this angle here was 50. We can find angle x from this triangle. X equal 180 subtract by 70 plus 50. 180 subtract by 120 equals 60 degree. Third question, number 7. Here we have vertical opposite angles, and 4x minus 30 equal 70. We must write 4x equal 70 plus 30 equal 100. Then 4x equal 100. We can divide it by 4, then x equal 25 degree. Next question. We have this triangle about number 8. First step, we can find vertical opposite angle here from this triangle. Okay, we have this angle was right, and here x, and this C, F, E. This angle 70 and here 50. I will find first step the measure of this angle FCE. Measure of angle FCE equal 180 subtract by 70 and 50 equals 60 degrees. Then the measure angle here, vertical opposite angle, also 60. We have 130 and 60 and x and the line. Then the measure of angle x equals 360 subtract by 90 plus 130 plus 60. Then x equals 360 subtract by 0 plus 0 0, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 9 18. And the result will be 60 degree because sum of interior angle of quadrilateral equal 360. Next question, we have be polling to AC. We have straight angles. The measure of this angle, it will be 180. Then x plus 10 plus 80 equal 180. Then x plus 80 plus 10, 90 equal 180. And the measure of angle x equal 100 subtract by 90 equal 90 degree. Next question. In the opposite figure, we want to find length x plus y. We have parallelogram. Each opposite sides are equal in length. Then y will be equal 10 centimeter and x will be 7 centimeter. We can collect together. X plus y equal 10 plus 7 is 17 centimeter. Next question, number 11. If the length of two sides of triangle 3 and 5 centimeter, what is the largest integer that can represent the length of the third side? Okay, we know in any triangle the sum of any sides greater than the third, and the third is belonging to the open interval from difference and addition. The difference between 5 and 3 is 2, and 5 plus 3 equal 8. Then L will be what? Maybe 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So the greater will be 7. Then the length will be 7 centimeter, which is the greater sides. Next question. A father age now is 3 times his age of his son. Okay, if we put x refers to the son of his son x, and the age of him will be 3x. Then the father's age was 28 years old than son. Okay, his father was 3x, and the father age was 28 years than his son. Then 3x subtract by the age of his son x equal 28. 3x minus x equal 2x equal 28. In the x here equal 14. X here is the age of his son, and his age, the father, will be 3x, age of father. Then the age of father equal 14 times 3 equal 42 years. Okay, the age of the father will be 42 years, and the age of the son, it will be 14 years. Next question, in the opposite figure, number 13, find the measure of angle A. We have here vertical opposite angles and right angle triangle like this. This vertical opposite angle will be 52 also, and we have 90 degree. Then A plus C, we called it complementary angles. The measure of angle here will be 90 subtracted by 52 equal 10 minus 2, 8, and 8 minus 5 equal 3. This angle will be 38 degree, or you can write 90 plus 52 and the answer subtract from 180. Next question, number 14. Find the value of the measure of angle x here, or prove that ABC. Okay, this example you want prove that. Look at here about steps. Prove that. About this example, we want to prove that if B parallel to AC. First step, we have CD, right, such that CD parallel to AB and AC is transversal of them. Okay, AC transversal, then measure of angle x equal 180 subtract by 125 degree. We called it what? We called it supplementary angles. Then the difference between them, 10 minus 5, 5, and 7 minus 2, 5, 55 degree. So we note exact measure of angle B equivalent to measure of angle x equal 55 degree. Then we called it alternating angles. Then PE parallel to AC. Okay, they are parallel. Okay. Next question is the opposite figure. Find with the proof measure of angle or x and y. Find with the proof x and y. Okay. We have here parallelogram. We know parallelogram, two diagonals bisect each other. Then we can write x plus 7 is equivalent to 9. And the value of x equal 9 minus 7 is 2. And also MC equivalent to MA, you can write this as proof, and MD equivalent to MB, 3y equal 12, and the value of y equal 4. Okay. Next question, number 16. A triangle has two angles, 36 and 24. What is the type of the coordinate triangle? First step, we can find the measure of angle of the third, like x refers to the third angle of this triangle. Write 180 subtract the sum of 36 and 24. Then x equal 180 subtract by 6 plus 4, 10, 0 and carry upon 3 plus 3 is 6. Then x equal, write 0 and 8 minus 6, 2, and write 2. The result will be 120 degree. Okay, then this triangle will be obtuse, an obtuse angle triangle. Okay, obtuse angle triangle. Next question, number 17. If 2x plus 5 is 13, what is the value of x minus 3? We can solve the equation to find the value of x first. 2x plus 5 is 13, and 2x equal 13 minus 5 equal 8, and then 2x equal 8, you can divide it by 2, then the value of x equal 4. So x minus 3 equal 4 minus 3 equal 1. Next question. Two vertically opposite angle, one of them 2x as the other 2x plus 21. What finds the measure of each one of them? Okay, then vertical opposite angle, the first 2x and the second will be x plus 21. We can solve the equation, move x here, 2x minus x equal x, then x equal 21. In the first of measure of angle, then angle will be, measure of angle will be what? 2x or x plus 21. Then write 2x equal 2 times 21 equal 42. Then the angle will be 42 degree. Next question, number 19. ABCD parallelogram. Okay, we know parallelogram, it's meaning each opposite angle are equal in measure. He give me angle B and angle D. They are equivalent. Then 3x plus 10 equal to 2x plus 50. 3x minus 2x equal x, and 50 minus 10 is 40. So x will be 40. He won't find measure of angle C. He gave me the example, this angle x was 40, and give me the example measure of angle D was 2x plus 50. Put x here equal 40. 2 times 40, 80. 80 plus 50 equal 130 degree. The measure of angle here 2 times 40 equal 80. Then the measure of angle C, we have here angle D and angle C complementary angles or supplementary angles. Some of them equal 180. Then angle C 180 subtract by 130 equal 150 degree. The measure of angle C, because this angle 50 degree, 100 subtract 130 equal 50. Then the first step, we know measure of angle D equal angle B, they are equivalent. You can solve this equation to find the value of x. Put x equal 40 in angle D. Angle D here was 2x plus 50. 2 times 40 equal 80. 80 plus 50, 130. Then the angle C will be 180 minus 130 is 50 degree. Question number 21. Find the solve this equation. 5x in Z, a real number, in integers, okay? 5x plus 2 equal 3x plus 8. Move here to left hand side and write 8 minus 2. And 2x equal 8 minus 2, 6. We can divide it by 2 since the value of x equal 3. 3 here polling to integers. The solution set will be 3. Okay. Next question. Find solution in Q about this equation. 2x, 2 reduced by x plus 3 equal 3 times 1 minus x. 2 times 2x and 2 times 3, 6. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times x, 3x. Move 3x here by change the sign. And 6 move by change the sign. Then 5x equal 3 minus 6 equal negative 3. Then the value of x equal negative 3 over 5. It's belonging to a rational number. In the solution set will be negative 3 over 5. Next question. Express the following with suitable equation. Number 1. Find the value of x here. We have x plus x plus 140 plus 90. Some of them equal 360. We have cumulative angles drawing at the same point. Then 2x plus, right, 0, 9 plus 4, 13, carry up 1, 230 equal 360. X equals 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 3 equal 3, 3 minus 2, 1. We can divide it by 2, and x will be 65 degree. The measure of angle x here will be 65 degree. Next question. In this example, he won't find the measure of angle with proof. Okay, look at steps. So this question all the time come in the exam. Okay, you must know the steps. I write the steps here about proof. Okay, it's important questions. First step, we have the ray such that EP parallel to CD and AC transversal of them. Then measure of angle A, we can find the measure of angle here. You can write measure of angle ACD equal 180 subtract by 70 equal 110. Okay, the measure of angle here 110 degree. And also CD parallel to EF and CE transversal of them. The measure of angle DCE equal 180 subtract by 60 equal 120 degree. The next step, we have cumulative angles such that measure of angle ACD plus measure of angle DCE plus measure of angle ACE cumulative angle. The result will be 360. Then we can find in the last step here measure of angle ACE equal 360 subtract by the sum of 120 and 110. Alright, 360 subtract by 2 plus 1 3, 1 plus 1 2. We can write 0. 6 minus 3, 3, 3 minus 2, 1. Then the answer will be 130. The measure of angle 130. Okay, it's question very important. You must know the steps about it. Next question number 25. In the opposite figure, he wants to find the value of x here. First step, we have triangle. This angle was 73 and here 82. We can find the measure of this angle first. 180 subtracted by 73 plus 82. 180 subtracted by 3 plus 2, 5, 8 plus 5, 15. 10 minus 5, 5, and 7 minus 5, 2 is 25 degree. This angle will be 25. Then x plus 30 plus 25 equal 180. Okay, we have a straight line. The measure of straight line equal 180. Then we can complete x plus 30 plus 25, and the answer subtract from 180. Okay, right? X plus 5 plus 0, 5, 3 plus 2, 5 equal 180. Then x equal 180 subtracted by 55. 10 minus 5, 5, and 7 minus 5 is 2. The result will be 125. Okay, this is the value of x. And here value of angle M, the measure of angle ACD equal 90 subtract by 60 equal 30 degree. We call it here complementary angles. Okay, some of them equal 90 degree. Next question. Find the value of x here. We have two lines parallel. Then we have corresponding angles. X plus 10 equal 70. Then the measure of angle x equal 60 degree. And then find the value of x here. We have reflex angles. Then some of them cumulative angles equal some of them equal 360. We have 2x minus 40 plus 140 equal 360. Then 2x plus 100 equal 360. So 2x equal 360 subtract by 100 equal 260. We can divide it by 2. The answer will be 130 degree. Okay, next question. Which of the following sets number can't be sides of triangle? First step, number A, we must know the sum of any sides greater than the third. We have 4 plus 3 equals 7. No, that can't be triangle. Okay, number B, because the small here number 7 equal third, the result must be greater than third. Letter B, we can write the choose 4 plus 3. We have 4 plus 3 equal 7. 7 is greater than 5. Then yes, we can draw triangle by these sides. Letter C, 5 and 5 and 5, 5 plus 5 is 10 greater than 5. And yes, we can draw triangle by these sides. Next question. If the sum of the measure of two angles in triangle 140, what is the measure of the third? The measure of the third equal 180 subtracted by 145. It will be 35 degree. Next question here. In the opposite figure, ABCD rhombus, prove that measure of angle A. Find the proof, measure of angle A. Okay, we can find the measure of angle A about this. We know the diagonal bisects the vertex of rhombus. Then measure of angle D equal 50 degree. Okay, such that ABCD is a rhombus. Then measure angle D equal twice measure of angle CDB equal 2 times 25 equal 50 degree. Then measure of angle A plus, or such that measure of angle A plus measure of angle D equal 180 degree. We called it supplementary angles. Okay, A and D 180. Then measure of angle A equal 180 minus 50 equal 130 degree. Next question. Find the value of A here. We have three angles in a triangle. Some of them equal 180. Then we write 2A plus 3A plus 4A. Some of them equal 180. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4 equal 9. 9A equal 180. Then the value of A here equal 20 degree. Okay, next question number 33. We have quadral, the sum of interior angle in this quadral equal 360. First step, we can find measure of angle DAP equal 360 subtract by sum of interior angle. Okay, we have here, but also the measure of angle DAP, we can find it first from straight angle. We can find this angle first, 180 subtract by 100 equal 80 degrees. First step, and then we can find x, the value of x, the sum of interior angle equal 360. Then 5x equal, okay, 5x here equal 360 subtract the sum of interior angle. C was 90 and P 110 and angle A was 80. We can collect together and the result subtract from 360. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 9 18, 8 and carry up 1. 280 subtracted from 360 equal 80 degree. The last question here, 34. Okay, this question, find this proof. We have rectangle, find with the proof measure of angle ABD. We want to find this angle. Okay, we have triangle, rectangle, okay, such that ABCD is rectangle. What's the meaning of rectangle? It's the meaning the measure of any vertex equal 90 degree. Measure of angle A was 90 degree. Then we can write in triangle ADB, measure of angle DBA or ABD, he want ABD, okay, equal 90 subtract by 60 equal 30 degree. We called it what? Complementary angles. Next question. A triangle has sides x and 10 centimeter. Finds the value of x if the parameter is 36. Okay, the parameter equals the sum of all sides of triangle. Okay, equals 36. Then 2x plus 10 equals 36. So you can write 2x equal 36 minus 10 equal 26 divided by 2. Then x will be 13 centimeter. Okay, we can find the value of x by this method because it gives us the answer here or the parameter. Okay, it's the last question.